Show of hands, who has seen the damage that one of these motor scooters can do with a bent blade? And don't worry yourself about how I'm going to see if your hands are raised or not. Let me worry about that. Damn! Does this guy even know what he's talking about? So here goes our culprit for the day. If you can see, there's a large bend in this blade over what it's supposed to look like. So there were a couple of personal delays that I had that stopped me from doing this job last week, but now I think we have everything we need to take care of it. And that would include a breaker bar, which I'm using a 24mm socket to break the nut that's holding the blade. I have a set of new blades, and because I wanted to do this process without removing the deck from the tractor, I went on the old YouTube and located the answer. So I'd like to thank Fix It Flip for providing me the technique that we're going to use so we do not have to remove the deck. And that's done simply with a small block of wood and a mid-size C-clamp. Now before doing this process, you might want to provide yourself with some extra safety by either disconnecting the spark plug or the battery. But the C-clamp process is simply this. We're going to put our block of wood here, put our C-clamp here, to where the top of the clamp is going to make contact with the blade. Now with our C-clamp in place, we're just going to loosen that nut. So normally on a 42-inch, you want to make sure that your connecting rod patterns match up. But for the 36-inch, because it's so no frills, there's only one blade that you can get for it, so it's hard to go wrong. But now we're just going to go ahead and install the new blade. So now on tightening this, you really want to consult your manual if you're looking for torque specs. I'm sure they're going to range per the company who built your tractor, so definitely go with that. But we're going to tighten ours down to about 70 foot-pounds. Looks good to me. So folks, that's about all me and Sequoia have for you for today. But we will be doing the year-end maintenance video. But until next time, this is your boy Kachi Kid. Want everybody to have a great day. And you know I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace, y'all.